Welcome to Hamry Exports. In this episode, we will show you how new white t-shirt rags are processed, and bale creation in customized packaging. We cut rags into smaller pieces. First we are sorting and remove dirty rags from it, and create stack for weight. It is soft and good quality rag. After sorting, it weighing on scale. After sorting and weighing, now rags are going into baling machine. Hydraulic press going to press all rags to maximum limit. It create 900 pounds bale. After completion of bale, mark each bale with marking tags. We do small packaging, as low as 4 pounds, as per client requirements. We have 100 pounds, and 200 pounds bales as well. We do customize packaging, as per client requirements. For orders and details, contact us.